Good morning students, welcome back to Shaba Group of Schools online class. In the previous class we have studied algebra. Today we go for a new chapter, that is analytical geometry, third chapter. The first heading is locus. Locus, what is locus? The path traced by a moving point under some specified geometrical conditions is called its locus. For example, let P be any point on the locus. Here the distance from the fixed point A to the P, the point P is constant. Take any place, enga eduthalum this is constant. The distance are equal nartham. In this case the path is a circle. Similarly, if you take any line AB and the line L. On L take any point and find the distance from A and B, and clearly these two distances are equal. That is, the point, any point on L is equidistant from A and B. In this case, our L is the perpendicular bisector of the line AB. இதெல்லாம் நம்ம படிச்சிருக்கிறது சின்ன கிளாஸ்ல. Now let us see exercise sums. Exercise 3.1. Take your book at page number 86. First sum is find the locus of a point which is equidistant from 1,3 and x axis. Listen. Take any point on the locus, that is P, x1, y1, and this is our fixed point. A is the fixed point, 1,3 this is given, and also given the distance from A. That means AP is equal to distance from x axis. In the distance same இருக்கும் அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. Suppose this is A na, this is also A அப்படினு அர்த்தம். So we take this as M. M ன்னு எடுத்துக்கோங்க. That is AP equal to PM அப்படினு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Okay. Listen, this is x1 y1 எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்க அப்படினா the distance clearly x1 and the distance is what? y1. So the distance from x axis to P is y1. Okay. So first take P of x1, y1 be any point on the locus, and let A be the fixed point, 1,3 be the fixed point, and what is given? Given that the distance from A and x axis are equal nu sollirukanga, that is PA is equal to PM. Squaring on both sides we get PA square equal to PM square. Okay, and listen, the distance between 2 points formula is square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y to the whole square, or x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, now using the same formula here, listen, this is x1 y1 and x2 y2. So our PA is x1 minus 1 the whole square. Here AB is this, AB square na square root cancel ஆயிடும். இங்கே PA ஸ்கொயர்ன்றதுனால ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் போடாமல் அப்படியே எழுதுகிறோம். x1 minus 1 the whole square plus y1 minus 3 whole square equal to PM distance is y1. So y1 square, expanding this we get, this is A minus B whole square form, that is x1 square minus 2x1 plus 1 and y1 square minus 3 2s are 6y1 plus 9 equal to y1 square. These two gets cancelled. The remainings are x1 square minus 2x1 minus 6y1, adding these two, 9 plus 1 that is 10 equal to 0. The last line is the locus of the point x1, y1. இப்போ x1 y1 நம்ம xy அப்படின்னு எழுதுறோம். x square minus 2x minus 6y plus 10 equal to 0. This is our answer. Understood? Let us see third sum. Listen. Third one is, if the distance of a point from the points 2, 1 and 1 comma 2. Here 2 comma 1, 1 comma 2. The first point is 2 comma 1. So you take this as A and this as B. Okay. 2 comma 1 and 1 comma 2 are in the ratio 2:1. Then find the locus of the point. 2:1 means, listen, inge any point P, x1, y1 எடுத்துக்கிறோம். This is 2:1. PA is to PB is 2:1. This is given. So first write P of x1, y1 be any point on the locus, and the given 2 points are fixed points. Next write the condition given that here PA is to PB is equal to 2:1. This is given condition. PA is to PB equal to 2:1 or PA by PB equal to 2/1. So now cross multiplying we get PA 1 into PA is equal to 2 into PB. Now squaring on both sides we get PA square equal to 4 into PB square. Okay. Here also using the same formula, the distance between 2 points formula, that is PA. P is x1, y1 and A is 2 comma 1. So x1 minus 2, x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 1 whole square is equal to 4 into PB is x1, y1 and 1 comma 2 distance, x1 minus 1 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square. Distance between x1, y1 and 1 comma 2 is x1 minus 1 the whole square plus y1 minus 2 the whole square. Now expanding we get x1 square, next 2ab, 2 2s are 4 minus 4 x1 plus 4, and here y1 square minus 2y1 plus 1 and plus 4 into 4 is common. So write in the bracket x1 square minus 2x1 plus 1, and expanding this y1 square minus 4y1 plus 4. Understood this? Next multiplying, this is equal to, now multiplying 4 inside we get here x1 square minus 4x1 plus y1 square minus 2y1, adding these two we get plus 5. This is equal to, multiply by 4 we get 4 into x1 square minus 8x1 plus 4 plus 4y1 square minus 16y1 plus 16. Now bring all these terms to right hand side we get here 4x1 square, okay, minus x1 square. Next write y1 square, 4y1 square, first take x1 square and then y1 square minus y1 square. Next x1 minus 8x1 and this minus 4x1 becomes plus 4x1. Okay. Next take y1 term, that is minus 16y1 and here minus 2y1 plus 2y1 and also 4 plus 16 becomes 20 and the 5 right hand side போகும்போது minus 5 which is equal to 0. Now subtracting and get 3x1 square, here also 3y1 square, and minus 8 plus 4 becomes minus 4x1, minus 16 plus 2 minus 14y1, 20 minus 5 is plus 15 equal to 0. Now take locus, therefore the locus of the point x1 comma y1 is 3x square plus 3y square minus 4x minus 14y plus 15 is equal to 0. This is our answer. Understood? Let us see fifth one. Our fifth one is if A minus 1 comma 1 and B 2 comma 3 are two fixed point Then find the locus of a point P so that the area of the triangle APB is 8 square units. What is given? A and B are two fixed point is given -1, 1 and 2, 3, and take any point on the locus as P of x1, y1. So first write, let P of x1, y1 be any point on the locus, and it is given A -1, 1 and B 2, 3 are fixed points, and also given that area of the triangle APB is equal to 8 square units. It is given. What is the area of the triangle? First write the formula. Our formula is half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 equal to 8. This is given. And listen the board. This is our x1, y1. Take this as x2, y2 and this as x3, y3. Substituting the values here we get right here. So area of the triangle is equal to first half into x1 is x1 and y2 is 1 minus y3 is 3, 1 minus 3 plus what is x2 here? x2 is minus 1, so minus 1 into x2 into y3 is 3 minus y1, 3 minus y1 plus next x3 is 2 into y1 minus y2. This is y1 minus y2 is 1, y1 minus 1 is equal to 8. So it implies half into, multiplying inside we get x1 minus 3x1 and minus 3 plus y1 plus 2y1 minus 2 equal to 8. Cross multiplying we get 8 into 2. Right hand side 8 into 2 varum. Inge x1 minus 3x1 is minus 2x1 and combining these two we get plus 3y1 and minus 5, which is equal to 8 into 2. So minus 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 5, 8 2s are 16. Bring this to left hand side we get minus 16 is equal to 0, which implies minus 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 21 equal to 0. Multiplying by minus we get 2x1 minus 3y1 plus 21 equal to 0. Now take the locus. Therefore, the locus of the point x1, y1 is 2x minus 3y plus 21 equal to 0. Understood this? I hope you all understood today's class. Revise all the examples and do the homework. Thank you, students.